Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Grenada tax residency. If you're drawn to the picturesque beaches and vibrant culture of this Caribbean paradise, you're likely interested in how to establish residency while enjoying potential tax benefits. In this video, we'll explore the requirements for becoming a tax resident in Grenada, which is not just a beautiful getaway, but also a hotspot for savvy individuals, be they digital nomads, retirees, or investors, looking to optimize their tax situations. So let's dive in. First, let's clarify what tax residency means in Grenada. Tax residency determines where you are liable to pay taxes on your income, which can significantly impact your financial standing. Essentially, to be considered a tax resident in Grenada, you need to have a physical presence of at least 183 days in the country each calendar year. This rule applies to most nations worldwide and is a crucial factor in qualifying for the tax advantages Grenada offers. Understanding this concept will set the foundation for your tax planning strategies in Grenada. Next, we'll discuss the attractive benefits of becoming a tax resident in Grenada. One major advantage is the territorial taxation system. Unlike many countries that tax citizens on global income, Grenada only taxes income earned within its borders. This means foreign source income generally isn't taxed, making it a favorable option for high net worth individuals with international revenue streams. Additionally, the relatively low personal income tax rates on domestic earnings provide another layer of financial benefit, positioning Grenada as a formidable contender among Caribbean tax-friendly jurisdictions. Now, let's look at how you can qualify for Grenada tax residency. Besides the crucial 183-day physical presence test, you might also consider various other factors that could strengthen your residency application. For instance, establishing a permanent home in Grenada, demonstrating strong economic ties, or even seeking professional assistance can all play a role in validating your claim to residency. It's important to document your time spent in Grenada accurately, so tools like Pebbles can aid in this process, offering peace of mind while ensuring compliance with the local tax laws. Lastly, maintaining your tax residency status is not just about meeting the 183-day requirement. You'll also want to familiarize yourself with Grenada's banking, healthcare, and compliance landscape. Opening a local bank account is essential for financial transactions, and securing adequate health coverage, preferably through private insurance, can safeguard your well-being. By working with local tax professionals and effectively managing your residency paperwork, you're on the right path to not only thrive in Grenada, but also optimize your global tax strategy for